In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in your Hotmail or Outlook account, which can be a real time saver when you're trying to find a specific email among the many messages in your inbox. We'll guide you through a simple and efficient process that only takes a few minutes. Ready? Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're on the official Outlook website. You can do this by navigating to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. Once the page has loaded, look at the top right corner where you'll find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your login details. Make sure you type in your email address and password carefully to avoid any login errors. It's always a good idea to double check that you haven't accidentally left the caps lock on before you hit enter. Once you've successfully logged in, which might take a few seconds depending on your internet speed, you will be directed to the main Outlook dashboard. Here, you'll want to head over to the Mail section. This is where all of your email messages are housed, and it should be located in the left-hand column of the screen. Clicking on Mail will take you directly to your inbox. Now that you're in your inbox, you'll notice there's a search bar prominently displayed at the top of the page. This is your gateway to quickly locating any email in your Hotmail account. Click on this search bar to activate it. You'll likely see a flashing cursor indicating that it's ready for your input. With the search bar active, think about the specific email you're looking for. Do you remember who sent it? Perhaps there was a specific subject line or a keyword that stands out. Begin typing whatever details you recall. You can enter a key phrase, the sender's email address, or any keyword related to the content of the email you're hunting for. As you type, you might notice that Outlook will start offering some suggestions or potential matches below the search bar. These suggestions can be pretty handy if you're unsure about the specifics of what you're searching for. When you see the email you're looking for in the list, click on it to open it immediately. And there you have it. Just like that, you've successfully navigated through your Hotmail account to find the email you needed in record time. This little technique is such a handy tool and can rescue you from the potential frustration of scrolling endlessly through your inbox. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you'll feel more confident using the search feature in Outlook going forward. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.